Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME C67 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. First of all, open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Now go to settings, select device unlock and click on face and fingerprint unlock. At first you need to set some backup to this fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. Obviously, if you already have one, you will not have to do it, just provide the current one. Now it's time to customize notification content, and that's it. Click on fingerprint now, tap on more, and I agree to accept it. As you can see, the sensor is located on your power button right here, so all you have to do to add your fingerprint is keep tapping on power button till it is fully added. You'll be informed on your screen, so just take a look. Once it is done, meanwhile you need to lift your finger up and then place it on the sensor. Okay, so it is done, just mark done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint, or obviously you can use the pattern that we set. So that would be all. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.